Reliable service, honest flavours, and a team always happy to see you. You know you've got a friend in Larry's Cafe.
Hi, I'm Kim from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with me today as we discover this cosy cafe.
At Larry's, come for the delicious barista-made coffee, served with a smile, and stay for the tasty seasonal menu heroing local produce. Pick off the standard menu or enjoy one of the tasty delights from the ever-changing specials board. The specials are a lucky dip of local flavours as each item is built around in-season organic local produce. There's no better way to taste the flavours of our plentiful region. Today's special, I have a choice of 2 different salads, which naturally is what I'm tucking into today. I've paired this with a matcha latte, which is Larry's specialty. Each matcha latte and tea is served perfectly in handmade Japanese teaware for that extra special touch. Larry's has a full menu dedicated to drinks, so if coffee, chai, cold brew or teas are more your flavour, they have you covered. At Larry's you can choose to dine inside and enjoy the modern rustic charm of the quaint space, or pull up a seat at the front where pups are also welcome. If you're looking for a warm, welcoming place to dine and discover when you visit Wagga, then be sure to pop by Larry's Cafe. They'll be your new bestie. To discover more great places to dine when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in the bio or head to visitwagga.com.